someone followed me now and asked me to follow back, and I was trying to follow the person back. When I opened the person's page, I was seeing add as friend, and in my own I cannot have any other friends again. Rather, you have to have your page as follow page. So I just want to do this video so that you know how to do that. First, you have to go to your Facebook, open your Facebook app. Okay, when you open your Facebook app, you go to this your picture icon and you click on it. Then you will see, then you scroll up until you see this privacy setting. You click on it, then go to setting, click on setting. If you're on setting, then go up, you screw up until you see then click on this how to follow. Make sure that everything in your own place here, you have everything as friends of friends or is everyone. Make sure your setting is like this. Okay, if your setting is like this, make sure all your settings are like this in public. Make sure probably you set everything here in public or everyone. Then you go out, go to post, you click on post. Make sure it's in public. Okay, make sure you click in public. Then you go to this how to follow content, this particular place, you click on it. Make sure that you click everything here public. You can see public, or you can follow my own setting like this, but I would rather prefer you put everything public. Then you go out, then go back, then click on that your picture icon on your profile, that your profile picture there, you click on it. Then it will bring you here. Go down to this place, you have advertise, that 3 dot there, you click on it, then click on view as. So your page should be like this. So when somebody opens your page, you will see follow, so that instead of seeing add as friend here, you will just see follow. I can click on